So hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 5 questions Noma. So in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 6 to 10. Okay, so let us see that question number 6. What is that? If 7 power x square which is equals to 7 power 49. 7 power 49. Next, 6 power y square. See carefully ma, here squares are given like this. So 6 power 81. Next, 5 power z square which is equals to 5 power 100. So children, when you observe this one, here we need to find that x, y, z belongs to n. Then y minus x whole power z value we need to find out. So before going to that, just first here we need to find that x, y, z values. So children, as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal, no? So x square is equal to 49. Come to this one, y square is equal to 81, and the next one, z square is equal to 100. Okay, now we need to find that just x, y, z values only, but here we are having that x square, y square, z square. So x square is equal to 49, we can write it as 7 square. 49 we can write it as 7 square. Next, y square is equal to 81 is the perfect square of 9. So its square root is 9, so that's why we can write that one as 9 square. So y square is equal to 9 square. Z square is equal to 100, we can write it as 10 square. Understand? So as per this one, here as the exponents are equal, then their bases must be equal. So x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9, z is equal to 10. So these are the values of x, y, z. Now substitute that value here. So y is equals to here y minus x whole power z value we need to find out. So y is equal to 9 minus x is equal to 7 whole power z is equals to 10. So 9 minus 7 is 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 value, what is that? I told you to just remember those values. So 2 power 10 value is 1024. 2 power 10 value is 1024. If you don't know that value, then 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. So 32 into 32, again you will get it as 1024. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option A is true. Okay. So let us see that next question. Yes, this is also just substitution only. If A is equals to 4, B is equals to 8, C is equal to 16. Now we need to find the value of A power B into B power C whole by C power A into B power A. Okay, just substitute those values ma. So A is equals to here 4. So 4 power B is equal to 8 into B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 16. Okay, whole by here C is equal to 16, power A is equal to 4 into B is equals to 8, power A is equal to 4. After substitution, just observe that options, given options are in the form of powers of 2. So is it possible to convert this one into powers of 2? Just directly just transfer into that powers of 2. Okay, so we can write that 4 as 2 square whole power 8 and 8 as 2 cube whole power 16 whole by 16 we can write it as 2 power 4 whole power 4. 16 2 power 4 only, no? Into 8 we can write it as 2 cube whole power 4. 2 cube whole power 4. So 2 power 8 to 16 into 2 power 3 16s 48 whole by 2 power 4 4s are 16 into 2 power 3 4s are 12. Understand? Now cancellations, or else directly by using a power m by a power n formula also we can use. So here 2 power 16 gets cancelled. Okay, so the left over here 2 power 48 minus 12. Why? Because what formula we applied here? A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So apply that formula here. So from this one, 2 power 48 minus 12 is equal to 36. So answer is 2 power 36. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, 2 power 36. Option A is true here. Understand? Next, 8th question. So if x is equals to 4 power minus 1, y is equal to 2 power minus 1, then we need to find the value of x plus y whole power minus 1 plus y minus x whole power minus 1. This value we need to find out. Okay, so see here, x is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n formula we have to apply in this total question. Okay, single formula we have to apply here, that is x is equals to 1 by 4, y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we have that x and y values. Now substitute those values here. X is equal to 1 by 4 plus y is equal to 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 plus of y is equal to 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 1 by 4 whole inverse. Okay, so from this one, what is the LCM of 4 and 2? LCM is, the LCM of 4 and 2, its LCM is 4. LCM is 4. So 1 plus, here 2 is there, no? So 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So that's why 2 into 1 is 2. Clear? Whole inverse. Plus again here, the LCM is 4 and here 2 is there, no? So 2 minus 1 whole inverse. So which is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3 by 4 whole inverse plus 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 4 whole inverse. So 1 by 4 whole inverse, how we can write this one? So 3 by 4 whole inverse is 4 by 3. 1 by 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4. Again we will get it as 4 by 3. It's a reciprocal, no? So that one. Plus 1 by 4 whole inverse, that is 4. 1 by 4. So again that one become as 4 only. So just to simplify this, 4 plus 3 fours 12 by 3. So 4 plus 12 is 16 by 3. So what is the answer here? That is 16 by 3. So option D is true here, that is 16 by 3. Understand? So let us see that next 9th question here. That is, if a power x into b power y into c power z, which is equals to a square b into b square c into c square a, then we need to find that x plus y plus z into x y z. Okay, so let us see that. Here we can write this one as a power x, b power y, c power z. Okay, so a power x into b power y into c power z is equals to, just to simplify this one, here a square is there, here a is there, so a cube. Okay, here b is there, here b square, so b cube, and here c is there, c square, so c cube. Understand? So we can write this one as a power m into b power n into c power z. Okay, so children, see here, this is in the form of a cube, this is b and this is c. So from this one, a power x is equals to a cube, b power y is equal to b cube, c power z is equal to c cube. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 3. Now we got the values of x, y, z. So substitute those values there. So x plus y plus z. So x is equal to, all values are 3 only, no? So 3 plus 3 plus 3 into, here x, y, z. So 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so simplify this. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 into, or else all the powers has 3 only, no? So into 3 power 1, 1, 1. So 3 cube. Understand? So we can write this one as 3 square into 3 cube, which is equals to 3 power 2 plus 3, which is equals to 3 power 5. So what formula we applied here? First 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 9 we can write it as 3 square into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times there? 3 times there. So that is 3 cube. So 9 into 3 power 3 is equals to 3 square into 3 cube, which is equals to 3 power 2 plus 3. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula we used. So finally we got the value as 3 power 5. Okay, so option C is true here. Understand? So let us see the 10th question, ma. and this is the final question. So what is that? 3 by 5 whole power x minus 1, which is equals to 5 by 3 whole power minus 3. Okay, and in the same way 2 by 7 whole power y minus 2, which is equals to 7 by 2 whole power minus 3. Understand? First simplify this, later we will go for that. Okay, so from this one, 3 by 5 whole power x minus 1 is equal to, this is in the form of a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Okay, so by using that condition, 1 by 5 by 3 means 3 by 5 whole power 3. Okay, and in the same way 2 by 7 whole power y minus 2 is equal to, this is also same, 2 by 7 whole power minus 3 become as positive 3. Okay, now as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. So x minus 1 is equal to 3. From this one, x is equal to minus 1 become as plus 1. So 3 plus 1 as 4. So x is equal to 4. And here, y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2 become as plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So y is equal to 5. Understand? So substitute those values here. 3 by 5 into 2 by 7 whole power x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. So 4 plus 5, and here y minus x is there. So y is equal to 5 minus 4. Okay, y minus x, which is equals to 3 2s is 6, 5 7s 35, whole power 4 plus 5 9, 5 minus 4 1. So 6 by 35 whole power 9. 6 by 35 whole power 9. Which option is correct, ma? Yes, option C is correct here. Okay children, these are the questions from that cumulative assignment 2. So up to here totally chapter also completed. So in this chapter totally 4 assignments they given, 2 worksheets and 2 assignments. So totally 4 worksheets they given. Okay, so here 4 also completed. Totally this is depends on that loss of exponents only and substitution. Okay children, so up to here second topic completed. In the next video we will again meet with the third concept, that is square and square roots. Okay, thank you all.